Good morning, everyone. Good morning, all of you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good
Good morning,
morning.
ma'am.
Children, I have noted many of you are not sending me your work on time, like Rishik Bajaj, Arnav Desai. Arnav, when you have sent me the work? After
10 o'clock, no.
no.
In 9, it is, I send it.
Okay,
9
I'll
after
check today.
9.
Hanchil is not sending me. Varanya Varija is not sending me. Heer Patel is not sending me. Kiana, Mohammad Patel, Navya, Meet, Bhakti. These are the students. They are not sending me their work on time. So
What
I
is
request them.
Ma'am, I send, but I don't press that turn in button.
Please press the turn in button and send me.
Yes, I forgot that. Ma'am, what do we have to submit? The
I'm talking
worksheet
about
today,
yes.
ma'am.
Listen here, listen here, listen here, all of you. Yesterday's worksheet I'm talking about. And today's work also I have already posted in the classroom. Don't get confused. This is today's work, which you will do after the class. Which you will do after the class. Once your class get complete, all the classes get complete. That is your today's work, which I will present here my screen and I will show you. So when you see today's post, don't get confused that what ma'am has posted today. That is your today's work, which you will do after the class. I have posted here. Can you all see?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, wait a minute. I'll tell you about today's. So today's work is this. Worksheet 2. In worksheet 2 today, what all the topics, first I am sending you here the index also, which you will do in your notebook. Index you will not write in the class, because when you write in the class it takes too much time to copy it down. That's why I have attached the index here. These all the things we will do today. We will first do the activity, as I already informed you, to bring the newspaper in the class. So that activity we will do today. Then we will learn about how to expand the numbers, expanded form and short form of the numbers. Then we will learn comparing the numbers. And then our last topic is ascending and descending order of the numbers. This is your today's index, which you will maintain after the class. This is your today's worksheet based on the topics which I am discussing right now. These are all the topics. So today you no need to write anything in your notebook. You try to understand the topics, and then on the basis of the topics, this is the worksheet which is covering all the topics based on expanded form, short form, comparison, and arranging in ascending and descending order. So this you will do after the class, not before the class. Am I clear to you all? Okay, thank you. I'll stop my
Excuse me,
presentation now. Yes, Kush?
ma'am. In We have to do it in the notebook, or we have to
In the
edit.
notebook, in the note, no editing. I don't want worksheet work. I want you to do this worksheet in notebook with question and answer.
Ma'am, we have to do it now.
Sorry, Kush, you were not there in my classes. Okay?
Excuse no, me, ma'am.
Yeah.
Send it. Yesterday I can't join, and
Okay,
Friday.
okay, I understood. I got the mail. I understood. It's okay. So, whatever the instruction I'm giving you, you try
I
to listen
send
it.
it.
Okay?
I send it my assignment one in 9 o'clock to 9:45. I send it.
Okay.
Between.
Yes. Thank you. I received that. Okay. Now, from today onwards, Kush, don't do in the worksheets. You do everything in the notebook. Okay. Varanya was asking that, ma'am, I have not understood this table. Varanya and Varija, Please pay attention here. You were talking about the table number 1 which I have sent yesterday, right? Place value table.
Ma'am, I know you showed it yesterday and I understood, but how we have to do, I don't know that.
Same way, जो जैसे बनी हुई है इसके अंदर वैसे ही बनानी.
That we have to just draw that in the notebook.
Yes, you just have to draw this in the notebook.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Varenya.
Ma'am, I sent you yesterday's work.
I will check. I will check today. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Oh. Now, as I told you to bring the newspaper in the class. Okay.
Ma'am,
even
I did it.
Okay. So yeah, I will check out today now. Okay. After the class, when I will check, I will comment you in the mailbox. If I received, then there is no need to worry. If I will not receive, then I will comment you. Okay. Got it?
Ma'am, today by 6 I sent everything.
Okay. Thank you. Now listen. Mute your mics now. Let me start the class. We will later on discuss the problems. Okay. Now, I told you to bring the newspaper. I also have a newspaper here with me. Why I told you the newspaper? Children, have you observed whenever you have whenever you read the newspaper, you see, some numbers are given, some information is given in the numbers also. Some population is given, some data are given, and it is given in the numbers. So I request you, from the first page or from the second page, you need to find out two large numbers. Large numbers means 6 or 7 digit numbers. Two group, first and second. Two large numbers you need to, wait a minute. Two large numbers you have to find out from the newspaper and write their number name. As you know, we have already learned about the number names according to the places, according to the Indian place value system. So now we are doing the activity that we are finding numbers from the newspaper and we are writing their number names. Yes, Laisha.
And I was telling that can hear you just. Can hear you.
Log out and log in again.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Varija. Find out two group of numbers. For example, in my newspaper, yes.
Is it okay if I take Gujarati newspaper?
In Gujarati newspaper, I think numbers are written in Gujarati, so you will not able to understand the numbers. It may be either Hindi or either English.
And I don't Hindi.
So, will you able to understand the numbers in Gujarati and write them in the numbers properly? अगर आपको गुजराती न्यूज़पेपर में से नंबर रीड करना आता है, then you take the numbers from Gujarati also, no problem. It at least large number, it should be 7 or 8, 6 or 7 digit, not less than this, because you are in grade 4 now. We are learning about the large numbers.
Ma'am, may I?
Wait. Now what you do, you need to write them in your notebooks. If suppose this is my notebook and I am writing in my notebook, the number which I found is, I found 2,98,737. So I will write the number name of this. Before writing the number name, I write their places: ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh. And then when I have put the places,
I find 2.74
point, you will not able to write the point. We have
to write a notebook.
Yes, push, write a notebook.
Ma'am, I found in crore.
It's okay if you found in crores.
Ma'am, I also found in Karor
9,65,800.
Point number, my dear, point decimal number you will not. Decimal number you will not able to write properly.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, we have to write the number and the answer also.
Now listen. I'm giving the Khush which Khush is asking. I'm giving that answer to everyone. You find the number, write the number in the notebook, and write its number name. These are the 3 steps which you will do. Am I clear? Am I audible to everyone?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Kavisha.
Ma'am, when we found a number in the newspaper, where we have to write this?
Just now I explained. Find the number, write it in the notebook, write its number name. 3 steps you need to do. Find the number, write it in the notebook, write its number name. Now I think everyone is clear. So my number is, if anyone is not having a newspaper, that child can copy my number also. If you have newspaper, you find your number from the newspaper and write its number name. So my number is 2,98,737. So I will write its number name is 2 lakh, LAKH, lakh 98,737. This is my number. You see your number from the newspaper and write its number name. Till now, everyone is clear? Show me thumbs up. Good. So this is my number which I found out from the newspaper and I am writing its number name. You no need to copy the same. You find your number from the newspaper and write its number name. Do 2 times. One more number and write its number name. Clear?
I can write 3 lakh and 45,000.
Arnav, some another voice is coming from your back. Please.
3 lakh
3
89,000.
lakh 45,000. 89,000.
Yes, ma'am.
89,000. Then
100.
123.
23.
Write its number name. Write the places first. So 3,89,123. Write its number name.
After the question answer assignment 1, after next page 4, I can write them next page.
नेक्स्ट पेज पे वर्कशीट जहाँ 1 खत्म हुई उसके नेक्स्ट न्यू पेज पे सही ये काम करना है. क्लियर? Now suppose if my number is 4 lakh 32,023. 4 lakh 32,023. So I will write 4 lakh 32,023 only because nothing is here on the 100 place. Kuch, is it visible to you till last? Okay. So if my next number is 4,32,023, so skip the 100 place. Nothing is there on the 100 place.
Ma'am, I have write 2 numbers.
Okay. One by one, from few of the students, I will ask. Yes, Navya. Navya, you read first number. Which is your first number?
2,08,907 T1. 71.
Wait. You told 2,08,000, right?
Yes, 8,000.
2 lakh. So 2 lakh means your places should be till lakh, ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000 and lakh. 2 lakh, then
8,000.
8,000,
971.
971. So nothing is here at the 10,000 place. What you will do?
I will put 0.
Yes. If the same number is coming, now my question is from Bhakti. Bhakti, how you will? Yesterday you have learned how to put the commas according to Indian system.
Yes.
In this number, if I tell you to put the comma according to Indian system, how you will put?
After 2.
Always remember, we always put the comma from counting from your right side. Count 3 digits from the right side. Put first comma because your first period is till 100 is the ones period. और उसकी ही family में 3 members हैं. So when you separate the periods, your first period and here, so your first comma will come here after 3 places.
Yes.
Then
I can say.
when now next comma will be here because this here it is separating the thousands period. Always remember, start from your right side, count 3 digits first, then after every 2 digits. Clear?
Yes. Ma'am, we have to write this.
No. Just for the explanation. Now,
Ma'am, I found 2 numbers.
yes, Dirg will tell me one number.
23 lakh.
23 lakh. Okay. So means it is 10 lakh.
64,000.
So it is 10 lakh.
See my word.
Anshul, wait.
64,000.
64,000.
422.
422. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000. And this is lakh and this is 10 lakh. Right? So when you write this 23 lakh 64,422. Now these will tell me how I will put according to the put comma.
Skip three numbers from the right.
Yes. 1, 2, 3 now digits. Then after every 2 digits, the comma will come.
Yes.
For this, you don't put comma here. Okay. Nothing is here. So we stop here only. Clear?
Yes,
Ma'am, I have found code number 2.
Okay. Now I will. It's okay, my dear children. You send me this in the classwork. I will check your numbers. Attach your work in the classwork.
Hello, Renu ma'am.
Yes, me, Virani.
Renu ma'am, my network issue was there, so I joined late.
My dear, please take a note of this. In maths class, it is very difficult to repeat the concept.
Excuse me, ma'am. 2 Renu ma'ams are there in our school.
The 3 Renu ma'ams are there.
Ma'am,
So,
but my router network issue was there. That's why.
but it is will very difficult, my dear. You ask me in the end. Okay. When we have HRM period, no, I will explain you there because we have continued HRM also today.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Varija.
Over here, I only got one number in my newspaper.
आप पूरा newspaper देखना, you will get. Now, activity is over. Stop. Only 5 to 10 minutes time is for the activity. You have taken much time. 15 minutes. No. Stop. Stop for the activity now. No excuse me.
Renu ma'am,
Yes, Anshul.
see my work now.
Anshul, you need to. Which work you are showing me? Your mic is mute.
Activity work.
Show me. Oh, take your notebook up. Number is not visible clearly. No, still not. Bring it to your left side. Left, left. Yes, now, no, still not. Bring it faster, my dear. No, that's why I'm telling you it is not possible to check each and every child's work here in the classroom. That's why we have an option to attach your work in the classroom assignment. Okay? Until it was not really visible.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, can you read your work?
1,03,558.
1,03,558. This the number is like that. 1,03,558, right?
Yes.
It is like this because
Yes.
nothing is at the 10,000 place, so we put the 0.
Yes.
Okay. Now stop. Now no one will write anything. Activity time is done. Fold your hands properly. Pen, pencil down. Sit straight the way you sit in your class. Okay. Now our next today's topic is to write the expanded form of the number. Expanded form. My board is visible till here. What I am writing now?
Yes, ma'am.
Expanded form. Expanded form means you need to expand your number with their place values. Right? For example, if I give you a number 65,956, no need to write because you will get the worksheet based on the same topics. Fine. You just have to understand how you are going to do your worksheet today. Now 65,956. How you are going to expand this number? कैसे इसको expand करेंगे? So you write the places first, ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. So first your number is, you need to expand first this number 6 and multiply it with its place value. What is the place value of 6?
10,000.
10,000. Plus sign will come. Go to the next number 5. Multiply it with its place value, that is 1,000. I don't have a continuous space, but you try to write in a one line only. Put a plus sign. Which number is next number?
9.
9. And what is the place of 9?
100.
Multiply it with the 100. What is the next number?
5.
5.
What is the place of 5?
10.
Multiply it with the 10. Then plus now. What is the next number?
6.
What is the place of 6?
1.
Multiply it with the 1. After putting the multiplication sign, you multiply them. 6 multiplied by 10,000 is 60,000. 5 multiplied by 1,000 is 5,000. 9 multiplied by 100 is 900. And 5 multiplied by 10 is 50. 6 multiplied by 1. Mute your mic. It disturbs me a lot, my dear children. Please.
Ma'am, I cannot see the full board.
Now check me. 50 plus 6 multiplied by 1 is 6.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, that you have sent the index, I have written it full. So
I already instructed not to write the index right now. That is just you need to complete after the class. Yes, Yug? Got it, Yug? Yes.
ma'am.
See here. Got it? How to expand the numbers? Write the number, write their place values. Write the number, write the place values. Write the number, write the place values with the number 100, tens, and ones. Got it? This is the one way of doing the expanded form. Another way of doing the expanded form is the direct method, which I will tell you. In this, the first method which you have done, you are doing 2 times the same sum. But if you want to do the direct method of expanded form, that will only involve one step only. Understood? Now see how one step, write the number and count the number of digits after that number. 1, 2, 3, 4. Put the 4 zeros. Plus sign, take the next number and write how count the number of digits after this number 1, 2, 3 and put the 0. That number of zeros, so put the 3 zeros because 3 numbers are there after this number. Plus sign, next number is 9. After 9, how many digits are there? Bhakti?
What, ma'am?
After 9, how many digits are there?
2.
Ma'am, 3.
After 9, not including 9.
2.
So 2 0 will come. Priyag, after next number is 5. After 5, how many digits are there?
1 0.
1 0. Priyag, I was asking from you. You give me the answer for the next. After 5, which number will come? After 5, which number is there? After 5, which number is there? 6. And 6 has any number of digits after 6?
No.
So we stop. This is the direct method, and one method which I have already told you, multiplied with their places. With their places. Clear? Place number 1000.
Excuse me, ma'am.
हाँ जी, बोलिए.
I was knowing this method.
Good. Yes, Meer Virani. Tell me your difficulty.
Ma'am, not difficulty means we have to do in worksheet. We have to show the 6,005. Means 60,000. We have to show.
Mute yourself, Meer. मैं explain करूँगा. Kush, mute yourself, please.
Ma'am, I want to ask.
I will after Meer Virani's concept, then I will talk to you. This number will be given to you. आपके पास सिर्फ ये नंबर होगा, इस तरीके से नंबर होगा, and the question will be expanded form में करना है. तो आपको उसको ऐसे expand form में करना है. प्लस का साइन लगा के, and you need to write the zeros also with them. Kush, yes, tell me what is your query.
Ma'am, which method we have to?
Anyone.
Any method.
Both are correct. Okay. एक और होता है that you get the number like this. This is done expanded form. Now we will do the short form. Short form में means now expanded form is given to you. Means जो number आपको given है वो बड़ा plus के sign के साथ है. For example, 20,000 plus 4,000. Oh, sorry, 400 plus 4,000 only plus 900 plus 20 plus 4. Now this is the expanded form. You need to convert it into the short form. Short form में means आपको छोटा करके लिखना है. So what you do is your highest is 20,000. So आप पहले places लिख देंगे 10,000 तक. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. And you only take the first number of this. So from 10,000, 20,000 you take 2. From 4,000, sorry. 4 will come here for the 4,000. 9 will come here the 100 place. 2 will come here at the tens place and 4 will come here at the ones place. Only take the number which is given, ignore the zeros. Then you will able to write it in the short form. Clear till here? Okay. Always see the first number. 20,000 means your places should come till 10,000. Okay. Suppose there is 4,000 and nothing is there 100 place. So how you will do? You know that the highest place is 10,000, ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000. So 2 will come here, 4 at the 1,000 place, 24. So 2 will come here, 4 will come here. What will come at the 100 place? Varija, think and give me the answer. 0.
0.
Yes.
0.
Now because nothing is here at the 100 place, so we write 0. Clear how to write the short form? Short, they give you expanded form sometimes this way also. Wait, I will explain you. In the spelling, like 3 lakhs 45,000 3,45,900 प्लस का साइन भी होगा इसके बीच में 900 प्लस 2 tens plus 1 ones. So don't think this is the number name. This is not the number name. This is the expanded form of the number because plus sign is here. और इसका का short form पूछा है. So you write your highest place is 3 lakh. So lakh, ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh. So you will write 3,45,921. This is the short form of the number. This is not the number name. This is the expanded form. इस तरीके से भी expanded form होता है. And this is the short form of the number. Put the comma always when you are writing the short form. Clear? Short form and expanded form is clear. Now come to the comparison of the numbers. How to compare whether two numbers are equal, greater or lesser than. We have already done in our first revision class, but we have done with the smaller numbers like 2, 3 or 4 digit maximum. But now we are learning, wait a minute, let me take the attendance. But now we are learning as the large numbers we are learning. So we should know how to compare the large numbers. Once you are clear with the comparison, which is greater, which is smaller, then you will able to do it in the orders also, ascending and descending order. Right? You know what is ascending order? Arranging the numbers from small to
big.
And what is descending order? Arranging the numbers from
Big to small.
big to small. Comparing. So when you are able to compare the numbers, compare. As I told you, this is less than sign. This is greater than sign. This is equal to sign. Okay. If I give you one number, 1,90,999 dash 1,90,999. So which sign you will put?
Equal sign.
Equal sign. Why? Here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digits. Here is 1, here is 1, here is 9, 9, 0, 0, 9, 9, 9, 9, and 9, 9. So both have the same number of digits and the equal number of digits. So this is equal to sign will come here. Next is if I give you 1,23,456, 1,23,457. Now which sign will come?
Ma'am, 153. Ma'am, 167.
Deep will tell me. Deep, which number is greater? This is greater or this is greater?
Ma'am,
1,23,457.
So this number is greater, right? So how we will read 1,23,456 is less than, because this is less than sign, is less than 123,457. Okay, got it? Means this number is less than this number. It means this is greater, right? Got it? Okay. Now next is coming, if 1,11,100, 1,11,100 and another is 1,10,100. So which sign will come here, children?
ma'am, greater than.
Greater than. So because 1,11,100 is greater than. This number is greater than this number. 1,11,100 is greater than 1,10,100. Clear how to compare the numbers? Good. If you are clear with comparison of the numbers, you are clear that which number is smaller and which is bigger. So if you are clear which is bigger and which is smaller, you can easily arrange them in their orders.
Yes, I am clear, ma'am.
Very good. For example, if I give you some numbers, group of numbers, 35,778, 36,787.
Screen is half only. Ma'am, lesser than sign.
No, I'm not comparing. I am, this is the next question now. Now it's visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Question is arrange them in ascending order. Ascending order means small to tell me.
Big.
Big. Small to big. So I have one group is this, another group of numbers is this, and the another one more number group is 3, 6, 8, 7, 7. Children, you can get 3, 4, 5 groups also, but I am explaining you with the 3 groups only. Now, assuming looking at these 3 groups, tell me which group will come first.
I'm 3, 6, 7, 8, 7.
No, I'm arranging them in the ascending order, small to big.
3, 5, 7, 7, 8.
Yes, 3, 5, 7, 7, 8 will come first. AO means ascending order. Don't get confused what ma'am has written on the worksheet. What is AO? Ascending order. 3, 5, 7, 7, 8 will come first. Then what? Which number will come?
3, 6, 7, 8, 7. 7.
3, 6, 7, 8, 7. And the next number is
3, 6, 7, 7, 7.
7.
got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Reverse of this means iska ulta is the descending order. Suppose same number of groups are there and the question change, group is same, and the now question is write it in the descending order or arrange them in the descending order. What does descending order means?
Big, small. Small.
Short form of descending order is DO. Now, which group of numbers is big in this?
6, 3, 6, 3, 7, 8, 7, 7.
3, 6, 8, 7, 7 will come first. Now,
7. It is come. It is come.
3, and the next is the remaining one, 3, 5.
5, 7, 7, 8.
So got it, children, how to compare the numbers, how to expand the numbers, how to write the short form of the numbers. No one will leave the class. We have HRM class now after this.
Mom,